Hey guys, Andrew with Louisiana Grills. Today, we're gonna be going over the controller replacement on your Louisiana Grills estate. To replace the controller on our estate, we're gonna have to do a few steps. First, we're gonna pull the front panel off here, held in place by 4 Phillips head screws, 2 on each side. From there, the panel will actually just fold down. Now that we've removed our front panel, we're gonna go ahead and pull this plate off that protects our controller. It's held in place again by 2 Phillips head screws. Next thing we'll see once we've removed this panel, all our wires, as well as 2 nuts that hold the controller in place. Then you're gonna see a couple of wires hanging out. There's gonna be 2 that are directly connected to the board by some fasteners. Pull those guys off. They'll be a little bit tight, but you can pull them right off the board. We'll then go ahead and disconnect our wiring harness. This is just a little plastic connector. We'll push it in, and it's gonna go ahead and pull right off. Now, we can actually just pull the controller off after removing those 2 nuts. Now that we've removed those nuts, our front plate's gonna actually loosen up to where we can just pull our controller right off. To replace it, we're gonna do everything in reverse. You're gonna place the new controller back on, go ahead and replace those nuts, put your wires back onto the back of the board, both the temperature probe wires and the wiring harness connector. Next, we'll just go ahead and screw that front plate back on the grill and be ready to go. That was the controller replacement on your Louisiana Grills estate. For more information, check us out on louisiana-grills.com or on social media.